Okay, now we get to take a look at problem 2-5. This is going to be represented on letter size at 1:2 scale. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Again, we'll start with a template. Switch to the model here first. Remove that grid. And we'll start with the centerline layer here. Now I'm first going to establish the vertical and horizontal construction lines, and then we'll find the center marks for the other two concentric set of circles. So first, construction line, we'll use the option V for vertical, and then we'll do a horizontal construction line, and now we'll use offsets. So let's do the top right. I'm going to offset from left to right 3,750, left to right, and then we'll offset 2.25 towards the top. And so we'll have some concentric circles there. And then here we'll offset to the bottom 3.75. And then once again 225 to the right, to the left. All right, so here's our center. And now I'm going to switch layers. I'm going to switch over to the object layer. We start with a circle of diameter 1. Find that intersection there. D for diameter. Set it for 1. And then we have a radius of 1. Now if I select those two, I can right click, use copy selection, pick a base point here. We'll use the center, come down here to the bottom at the intersection, and then escape. Then inside here, we're going to do first the radius. Let's see here. We want to get in, sorry, let's just do a circle. We have a radius of 150. Okay, and then we have a radius of 225. Okay, so we'll keep that there. And now we got to make some tangent lines and tangent arcs, right? Let's start from the bottom left and work our way up here. So now I'm going to switch to line command, and in order to pick a tangent point on both of these arcs here, I'm going to do this. I'll use shift right click, we'll use tangent, start somewhere in this quadrant, shift right click, tangent again, and we'll snap to this quadrant here. Do the same thing for this tangent edge here. So a line, shift right click, tangent, start in this quadrant, shift right click, use tangent again, and then click into this quadrant there. There we go. Now we got two radii. We got one of 3, and then the other one's also 3. Let's go ahead and use our circle tangent tangent radius. All right, we want to be careful which quadrant we click into. I'm going to click here and enter our radius of 3. There's that one. Let's use trim. Select this circle here and this outer circle here, hit enter, and then we'll trim away this part. Once again, we'll use the tangent tangent radius option, selecting the quadrant here and the quadrant here. We have a radius of 3. And then we're going to trim using these two circles. And then finally, inside, okay, we have a circumscribed hexagon. So I'm going to switch this to the hidden layer. Okay. Start with our polygon. Where's our polygon? So I'm going to go ahead and start my polygon command there. We got 6-sided. I'm going to start with the same center here, and my option here is going to be circumscribed. So the important thing here is take a look at the direction, right? Look at the orientation. Make sure it matches what you see in the drawing there, and it's just all about the direction that you point the mouse in. Okay, and you can see here if I enter the radius here of 150, you can see that's exactly where the polygon will go. Now we're finished with the modeling. Let's go ahead and change gears and we'll do the annotations.